This is the Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop for June that I just received. And this one is called Midsummer Magic, and that's the June 2025 Sew Sampler subscription box. And it's a monthly one, and you can sign up and you can cancel anytime you want. I believe it's $29.95 a month plus shipping. So let's see what's in here. There's always a coupon, a code that for a discount on fabrics. This time it is 15% off a Tula Pink, which I just finished a quilt top with Tula Pink. And then there's a free layer cake pattern, and I have actually made this one before. It's called Layer Cake Pop, and I have made that quilt. So let's see what else is in here. Let's see. Well, we'll start off with small magic clips. Those are neat. I use magic clips all the time. This is a bigger one. I have never used any like this. These are called Small Magic Clip Set from Taylor Seville. Add a sprinkle of magic to your sewing with magic clips from Taylor Seville. These white clips hold layers of fabric securely without any distortion, making them perfect for binding and hemming. You can slide under the presser foot, just not the needle, so you can keep them on while you stitch. I'll have to try those out. They look interesting, and they've got measurements on them. You can see a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch. And these are normally $8.98. A little Creative Grids ruler. This is a 3.5 inch ruler. I always like their rulers. They're great to use. It's always great to have all the different sizes. So it's a 3.5 inch square, and the value of this is $11.98. Add that to my ruler collection. Thread. There is a violet Aurifil thread to go with the fabrics. And this is a small 50 weight Aurifil thread, 100% cotton. Pretty, and the value of that is $5.98. Then we get to the fabric. This is from Free Spirit, Tula Pink, and this is the collection. Let me see. These are 10-inch squares. What's in here? Not sure. Let me see if I can see what it says. The value of this is $22.98, and there are 20 10-inch squares. This is fun fabric, beautiful fabric. In fact, I'll show you what I just finished piecing. That is the same fabric. I bought this from Missouri. I got this from Missouri Star Quilt Company, but it's the same fabric from Tula Pink. So let's see what we're making with this. Oh, this is cute. Wise Guys. It's an owl pattern. See that? And it's 50.5 by 65.5. And cute little owls that you can make using these fabrics. And the price on this pattern is $9.98. Then there's also block 3 of the Flowering Quilt Log. And I've just been opening my other boxes, so I really like this block. And these are 18.5 inch blocks. And this is quilt long. I'm not sure how long it'll go for. It started in April. So that was what was in the June Sew Sampler box. So I will take pictures of the fabrics and of the different things that you can see. But let me know if you like what was in this box and if you're getting it. Thank you.